Morning, everybody. It's Auntie Lisa on February 23rd, 2022. I have already started my day and I made a mixture of this golden milk. It's made a little differently than what you've probably seen online and other sources. This is made with a combination of turmeric powder and finely powdered frankincense. Okay, it's also called Boswellia. And I'm going to show you my powdered mixture. Yep, it came as a product that I purchased from an herbalist. It really smells beautiful, and he gives instructions of mixing it with just water and drinking it down. But I like to make it a little more enjoyable than that. I did add a tablespoon of honey because this is unsweetened almond milk that I'm using. Okay, and I had it last night before bed, and it makes me super relaxed. I'm getting ready for a medical procedure, and this is going to help me. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. All right, and have a nice day. Thank you.